So this is the dual line chart, and as you can see, you needed one date and at least two measures to create a dual line chart. So for that, let's select order date, and in the measure, let's select the sales and profit and click over here. All right, so here we have the line for profit and here we have the line for sales. So that is basically profit is shown on the y1 axis and sales is shown on the y2 axis, and that is basically very helpful in knowing whether sales is moving in the direction where profit is moving or vice versa. And once you are done with that, what you can do is you can make it more visually appealing, like I have been showing in the previous videos. So for example, you want to see how you are giving the discount on the sum of sales, then you can put the discount on the size, and as you can see where the line is thick, that means you are giving more discount. And you can verify this on the profit as well by putting discount on the size again, and it's pretty much consistent that when the sales is moving you are giving high discount. Same is the case with profit, that even though profit is moving up you are giving the more discount. So that's how you can do this. Apart from this size, let's say you want to make it visually appealing by some color. So maybe here in this case, sum of discount, you want to put it on color. So wherever the color is dark, that means more discount. Wherever the color is light, that means less discount. So that's how you can make your line visually appealing, and you can put labels by putting the field name on labels, and you will get the label displayed over here. So that's pretty much all I have for dual line chart in this video, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.